Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Skunkworks coming at you again with another Mul-T-Lock picking video. So tonight we have this Mul-T-Lock C10, has a 10mm shackle and an MT5 plus core in it. Now, as I stated in my previous video with the 4-pin MT5 plus, I just love this padlock. It operates extremely smoothly, and I don't work for Mul-T-Lock or anything like that, but works exceptionally smooth. The shackle locks back in this position. It has a mirror finish, hardened steel outer casing, and I like it so much that I went ahead and ordered the one with the 5/8 inch shackle just to have, you know, I don't even have anything to put it on, but yeah, love this lock. Let's go ahead and pick it. So here's our key. Now, something interesting I found with this this lock is that the sidebar mechanism, the sliders on this, are exactly the same. You have to set them to the exact same depth as the ones on the 4-pin. And I wonder if that may be because I got them both from the same locksmith. It could be kind of like Schlegg's sidebar or the Medico keyway, where they have ones for specifically for their distributors. I don't know. If anybody knows, go ahead and leave a comment with an answer. So, do a little walkthrough, talk through here. First things first, we need to set all the sliders all the way to the right of the keyway. Usually gravity does just fine, but I like to give them a little nudge just in case. It saves a lot of frustration. Clamp her up. Good and tight. Again, I'm going to be using these modified dimple picks and a modified half diamond. So this is from the Goso kit. Let me measure this out for you so you can kind of get a reference here. So this is approximately a 1/10 of an inch overall. And the reason I want to give you that measurement is because it works perfectly for both setting the sliders and for just barely touching the outside of these dimple pins. Anyway, that's enough talking. Let's get to it. So we'll go ahead and set our alpha pin first. Now this one feels springy, but is not setting, so I'm going to go ahead and set a couple of the pins. There are a few things I skipped over last video. I was kind of in a hurry. The binding order, I've only picked 2 of these now, but the binding order doesn't appear to be the same in between locks. Like with Medicos, you can always, if you're rotating anti-clockwise, the slider binds first. In this case, you don't know which is going to bind first, the pins, the sidebar, or the alpha pin. But one thing that I can tell you is, with the limited experience I have being these two locks, you have to pick the pins and the sidebar simultaneously. So there is our alpha pin. Now we're going to go ahead and pick until we get just the tiniest false set. Okay, I think I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's see what we can do here. A little tiny bit of core rotation, or plug rotation with that slider there. But as I said in the last video, that doesn't necessarily mean anything. And of course, again with this one, I've memorized which sliders need to be set, so I'm not going to waste our time trying to go through all those. There, 4, I got to click out of that. 5, good core rotation on that. Back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing there. So something is just binding really heavily, I think. Maybe 2. So 1 is still springy. I'm not getting anything out of 2 either. 3, oh, there's 4, and a deep false set. So now we're going to check all the inner pins. A little click off 3 again. 4 feels good, and 5. We are open. Alright, Mul-T-Lock C10 MT5 Plus. Thanks for watching everybody. Have a good one.